Want to issue out material from your inventory in Oracle Cloud? Let's go! I'm Linus, and in today's video you will learn how to manually issue out material in Oracle Cloud's inventory. The tool that we want to use to issue the material out is called the Miscellaneous Issue. And we're doing this by going to the supply chain execution area and then to inventory management. As you might have guessed, that's a miscellaneous transaction, so click on Create Miscellaneous Transaction over here. So dropping down the type, you will have a number of different transactions that you can perform here. I made another video explaining you the difference between account alias transactions and miscellaneous transactions. Make sure to watch this to really understand how this works in reality. For training purposes now, let's select a miscellaneous issue. This opens the account window on the right, so let's just go ahead and select some account for right now. Doesn't really matter. Then, as current item cost set to yes, and this enables the plus here so we can add a line. So go ahead, click on plus and add a line. And of course we need to put in an item first, but here are some things that are very worth noticing because it shows you an available quantity of 150 and an on-hand quantity of 150. Depending on the sub-inventory that you now select, this may change, right? So we're going for inspection. And this transaction wants to issue out the material directly from the sub-inventory that we give it. So it now tells us, hey man, you only have 50 in your sub-inventory inspection. That's okay because I only want to issue out 20. And especially for issue transaction where we bring something out of inventory, it's nice to give it a reason. You don't have to do it, but you have a number of different reasons here. And that's why most people use this. Let's say, for example, we are issuing this out because it's damaged, or we are issuing it out because it could be expired or something like this, right? So this just provides additional information when the manager, the warehouse manager, has a big list of transactions at the end of the day and wants to check what did we do and why did we do it. He has a reason connected to this transaction. So let's say these are damaged, these 20, and throw them away by clicking on submit. And as the other miscellaneous transactions, that's immediate. So they're immediately out of your sub-inventory and your on-hand quantity. So what you should do now is go ahead and click on Manage Item Quantities to see how your quantity of your item has changed by issuing the material out. In real life though, warehouses are way too busy to perform this all the time, and usually what they do is they just review the completed transactions. And that's what we're going to cover in the next video, so make sure to check this out right now.